Welcome to ClearTask. If you've ever printed an Excel spreadsheet and noticed your grid lines are completely missing, you know how frustrating it can be to read the data on paper. Today, I'll show you exactly how to print those grid lines in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Open your Microsoft Excel document where your data is ready. By default, Excel displays grid lines on your screen to help you work, but it automatically hides them when you actually print the page. To change this, look at the ribbon menu at the top of your Excel window. Click on the Page Layout tab. Inside the Page Layout tab, look for a section called Sheet Options. Here, you will see a heading for grid lines with two checkboxes next to it, View and Print. Simply check the box next to Print. That is all it takes. To make sure it worked, you can preview your document. Just press Ctrl and P on your keyboard, or go to File, then Print. In the Print Preview window on the right, you will now see your data neatly divided by the standard Excel grid lines. If you only want borders around specific cells instead of the whole sheet, you can highlight those cells, go back to the Home tab, and use the Borders tool instead. But for a quick, full-page grid, the Page Layout method is the fastest way. Thanks for watching ClearTask. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick professional tech solutions.